How big our pigs are. What should I ask you? Anything? What's your favorite color? Purple? Dang it. I thought you liked pink. I don't like pink. You don't like pink at all. Hey guys, this is so sad. She hates pink. I don't like pink. I don't have to like it. Oh well. You're gonna have to like it sooner or later. Oh, she likes pink. Oh, she likes it. Oh, there's no way I'm gonna like it. What? Oh, excuse this me, girl. She does not like my pinkness. I like you. You're cute and you're an owl. Thank you, but I just want you to accept my color. Your color is not my favorite color, but you're fine. I'm fine with your color a little, but not really. Guys, you think she should like it or hate it? She says I get to become Chica. That's when I get the paint and the stuff. You're excited? Yes, I am excited to become Chica. This girl over here, she said she'll paint me to become Chica. But that's gonna be on her birthday. Like this month of her year. You're right. What the heck? Sometimes I think of this bird. I think of this bird as a big fat idiot. Oh, sorry. Well, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button to see more birdie chatter. Pink birdie chatters. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of me in action with what's your name again? Tiger Mac. Oh, Tiger Mac. If you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and hit those notifications to see what happens every day of my life and her life as well. You sure you want to make more videos? Yes. You sure? Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yes. What? What do you want? Do you dare to sing I Can Fix You song in a stupid way? Hit that thumbs up button if you want to see her or me in action with videos. Shh. What was that all about? What was that all about? Nothing. That's what I thought. If you want to see more videos, please tell us down in the comments what should we do next on some more videos if you want to see me. If you want me to play a live stream game, tell me any game to play, I'll play it for you. But guys, I gotta hate her, but she's not gonna hate me. She's gonna like the way I do it. What are you talking about, pink bird? Nothing. Just being me. Don't let her hear yourself whisper because she's not happy. What did you say? Nothing. What's the matter with this bird? Why is this bird acting so weird? No, you're acting weird. Wow. That's so wrong. It's so weird. Why would she act that? Why is she acting weird? That's so strange. She does not know nothing. I wish I could know what happens with a bird. Don't worry, she will know. Why are you laughing? I'm just pretending. I'm just. Okay, you're acting weird. You didn't see nothing. Guys, tell me something else I just don't know. I just feel so bored. That got her occupied. What else do you want me to do? Want to do live streams or something? Or you want me to do reaction videos? Or what's going on? You see nothing. Oh. Do you dare to surf? Do you dare to surf on the bed? What was that? Nothing. Come here. Come here. What? What's dare you to surf on the bed? What? I'm not doing that. No way I'm doing that. No. Why not? Ooh. Back again. What's some stuff? Oh, crack at the wall. What in the world? No. I'm taking the camera with me into the other room. No, look at this dog. Look at this crazy dog. What do you want? Crazy dog. Go away. Go away, crazy dog. No, go away. What do you want with me? Oh. Zazz. Boom. Crazy dog. Go away. Go away. I need this thumbs up. Oh, the bird's crazy. The bird lost his mind. Thought she can get thumbs up, but no, she can't. What was that all about? Nothing. Why? Birds need their thumbs up. Don't you think? I think I fed her too much gummy worms. I gave her gummy worms, but What did you just tell them? Did you tell them? Nothing. Why? If you tell them my little secret, you're out of this line. You realize this is my channel. I can take you out of it. I can cut you out of the fun. Oh, you're right. I can't end you, but I will try to find a way to end you. First of all, I loved her. Now I'm hating her. What? Fine. I love you still. Hey, Bayflower. Hey. I'm beating the dog up. I'm beating the dog up. Stop hitting the dog. No. Stop hitting her. No. Stop. No. Hit her until she hits back. Why is nothing happening? She's not gonna get annoyed by a plushie. Excuse you. I'm a bird. A bird of fake fur and lit. Excuse you. Who invited you? You realize I got Chad